There's a lot of electronic controls now on the transmissions to really try to project what the customer wants as a behavior from the transmission. And on the gasoline side, we have a stepless transmission, so there is no steps. It's smooth. It's very nice to drive into the city, into stop and start, in traffic jams, but also going up the hill. There is no steps, unless you press really the pedal very hard, and then you get into a step modus that's just from the computer to have a feeling that the customer knows. And we can do this because we have a complete development, a new 1.4 three-cylinder gasoline engine with these stepless transmissions, and the engine itself has a very wide map of good efficiency, so you can move up in speed and make the stepless transmission simulate some steps at higher loads, because that's what the customer expects versus the city driving where you don't want any disturbance from your transmissions. And that needs a lot of intelligence from the controls, and we have complete powertrain controls, not just engine and transmission, but one controller that controls the whole system. And I think that's the big step, and that's why it feels very nice when you drive it. Now the engine actually moves in speed, but it moves in an area where it's efficient. In the past, when we had natural aspirated engines, there was only a single point in the engine map which was the best. And now on this new turbo engine we developed, you have a very wide speed and load range where you have the minimum fuel consumption. So that allows us to be a little bit more flexible in the speed, because that's what customers are used to when they drive cars. And we want to give them improvement and a good drive feel, but it cannot be too different from the past, and I think that's what we did better than the competition.